In today's episode, we are going to discuss about non-empty list. In previous episode, we are discussed about empty list. A non-empty list is one which contains elements and whose length is also greater than 0. Which contains elements and length should be greater than 0. Then that list comes under non-empty list. See, in order to declare this non-empty list, we have four syntaxes. Let's go with first syntax. Variable name is equals to square brackets, inside the square brackets values. Value separated by commas. So now I'm opening the Python command prompt. So I declared a list called lst. So these are the values separated by commas. The values are inside the square brackets. So this is a representation of syntax 1. Now I'm trying to print the lst and its type. See here, lst comma type of lst. See, this is our lst. It comes under class list. In order to create a non-empty list, this is one type of syntax. Let's go with second syntax. So variable name is equals to list of iterable object. Iterable object in the sense which has multiple values, right? So let's see this. So variable name is lst1 is equals to list of. So I declared here list of iterable objects, right? So iterable object in the sense which contains 0 or more than one elements, then that object is known as iterable object, right? So here list is an iterable object, right? So now I'm declared one lst1 is equals to this lst. See here, I'm printing the lst1 comma type of lst1. So this is an another way in order to create a non-empty list by using iterable object. So the next syntax is variable name is equals to list of iterable object. Inside square brackets, we have iterable object. So this is my variable s equals to Python. Now I am trying this by using third syntax. Let's see. lst is equals to list of these s value. S is an iterable object. I'm trying to print lst comma type of lst. We have to take an iterable object within the square brackets. See here, I declared an str in a variable called s. So I kept that s within the square brackets. See here. So this is an iterable object. This is a way to declare syntax number 3. So the Python has printed in the list. See here. This is the Python which comes under class list, right? So the last way to implement non-empty list as variable name is equals to a list of non-iterable object. Non-iterable object in the sense object that contains only one value and does not contains length. Then it is known as non-iterable objects, right? So int is one of the non-iterable object, right? I'm declaring an integer value a is equals to 98. I declared. No, I'm trying to convert this 98 into list. See here. So lst is equals to, so within the square brackets, I have to declare non-iterable object. I'm trying to print the lst and its type. See here. Non-iterable object converted into list. See here. This list comes under class list. We have four syntaxes in order to implement or create non-empty lists in Python programming language. On list object, we can perform both indexing and slicing operations, right? Let's see this point in practical way. See here, I'm going here. I'm going to access this list by using indexing and slicing. Let's see here. lst of 0. So if I execute this instruction, then it have to retrieve the value called 1, right? So see here, it have retrieved the value called 98. Why? Because I used the variable as lst. So the variable is lst1, right? So now I have to go with lst1 of 0. So it is going to print the value as 1. See here. So 1 has retrieved, right? So now I am going to use lst1 of -1. If I enter -1, the 5 is going to print. See, if I going to declare like this, lst1 of -5, the one is going to retrieved. See here. See, one has retrieved, right? So by using indexing, we can retrieve the values of list. So by using slicing also, we can retrieve this one. See here, I have declared 1 colon 3. See, from index number 1 to 3 minus 1, in the sense 2. From index number 1 to 2, the value is going to be retrieved in the sense 0, 1, right? So 2, 3. So 2 comma 3 is going to be retrieved. See here. See here 2 comma 3 has retrieved, right? So by using slicing also we can retrieve the values in list data type. So list is mutable. Why? In the sense item assignments are supported in the list data type, right? Let's see that point in practical way. See here, I'm going to assign a value to the list of index 0 is equals to 900. See here, at the position of 0 in LST1 we have 1, right? So that one has updated with this 900. Let's see here. So now I'm trying to print LST1 and its type. See here. So in previous we have 1 here. The one has updated with 900. Let's see another example. LST1 of third place. LST1 of 3 is equals to 78. See, I declared like this, right? At the index of 3, I have to update the value called 78. So 0, 1, 2, 3. At the position of 4, the value is going to be updated as a 78. So let's see. I'm trying to print LST1. See here, list is mutable. Why? Because list allows item assignments. See here, right? So this is an index based item assignments, right? So we can assign the items by using slicing based also. Let's see that one. LST1 of, I'm declaring slicing 1 colon 3 is equals to, now I'm going to declare here 23 comma 45. So at the place of 1 and 3 minus 1, 2. At the place of 1, you have to update with 23. At the place of 2, you have to update with 45, right? Let's see this one. Now I'm trying to print LST1. So at the place of index 1, 23 has been updated. At the place of index 2, 45 has been updated, right? This is indexing based item assignment and this is slicing based item assignments. So item assignments can be done in list data type by using two types. One is index based item assignments and another one is a slicing based item assignments. Why list is mutable? In the sense item assignments are happen in list data type. That item assignments are happen in list data type within the same memory address. So that's all for today's video. In upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about predefined functions in list. That's all for today's video. I hope you all understand. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.